the new iPhone 15s. We've got the smaller iPhone 15 and the iPhone 15 Plus. Okay, we're gonna unbox the pink one first because I've decided, executive decision, this is my desk, my rules, and my knife is pink. Thanks, Jerry Rig Everything. This pink color is so pretty. Check it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped about it. I could cry. We've got this new braided cable. Do we have a sticker? Is it gonna be pink? It's not. I got so hyped. It's just a regular white. So here's the pink. Let's take a little look at it. Oh, minty. I'm not gonna lie, at the Apple event, I didn't really pay attention to any of the other phones except the pink one, so I didn't really get hands-on with any other colors. This is very, very pretty. I love the way that all of the colors just look so nice together. Like everything is so cohesive. So pretty.